Hi everyone, today I want to discuss about vitamin D. What is vitamin D? Vitamin D is a fat soluble. It is essential for several reasons including maintaining healthy bones and teeth. It may also protect against a range of disease and conditions such as a type 1 diabetes. A human body produces vitamin D as a response to sun exposure. A person can also boost their vitamin D intake through certain foods and supplements. Despite its name, vitamin D is not a vitamin but a promohormone or precursor of hormone. Vitamins are nutrients that the body cannot create, and so a person must consume them in the diet. However, the body can produce vitamin D. In this article, we look at the benefits of vitamin D. What happens to the body when people don't get enough, and how to boost vitamin D intake. Benefits of vitamin D. Vitamin D has multiple roles in the body. It assists in promoting healthy bones and teeth, supporting immune, brain, nervous system health, regulating insulin levels, and supporting diabetes management, supporting lungs function and cardiovascular health, influencing the expression of gene involved in cancer development. Symptom of vitamin D. Symptoms of vitamin D deficiency may include regular sickness or infection, fatigue, bone and back pain, low mood, impaired wound healing, hair loss, muscle pain. If vitamin D deficiency continues for long period, it may result in complicated such as cardiovascular disease. Source of vitamin D. Getting sufficient sunlight is the best way to help the body producing enough vitamin D. Plentiful foods source of vitamin D include fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel and tuna, egg yolks, cheese, beef liver, mushrooms, fortified milk, fortified cereals and juice. Doses. People can measure vitamin D intake in micrograms or internationally unit IU. 1 microgram of vitamin D is equal to 40 IU. The recommended daily intake of vitamin D for infants 0 to 12 months 400 IU or 10 microgram. For children 1 to 18 years 600 IU or 15 microgram. For adult up to 70 years 600 IU or 15 microgram. Adult over 70 years old 800 IU or 20 microgram. Vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D deficiency can lead to a loss of bone density, which can contribute to osteoporosis and fracture broken bones. Severe vitamin D deficiency can lead to other disease. In children, it can cause rickets. Rickets is a rare disease that causes the bone to become soft and bent. Getting enough but not too much vitamin D is needed to keep your body functioning well. Vitamin D helps with strong bones and may help prevent some cancers. Symptoms of vitamin D deficiency can include muscle weakness, pain, fatigue, and depression. Thank you for watching my video. Guys, please subscribe my channel.